5 reasons your blog posts are useless without videos and how to fix it. Does your website have a blog? Great. But let's be real. If you're not turning those blog posts into videos, you're leaving money on the table. Most local service providers rely on blogs to get found online. But here's the truth. Blogs alone don't cut it anymore. People are consuming content differently. They want quick, engaging, and visual content. That's where videos and short-form content come in. By transforming your blog posts into videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks, you can reach more people, generate more leads, and boost your ROI. Here's why your blog posts are practically useless without videos, and how you can fix it today. 1. People prefer watching over reading. Let's face it, most people don't want to read long articles. They want fast, digestible content. And nothing delivers that better than video. Why this matters? 85% of internet users watch videos online daily. Bloggers retain 95% of a message when watching a video versus only 10% when reading text. Google prioritizes websites with video content. The fix: turn every blog post into an engaging video. Use visuals, text overlays, and voiceovers to make it easy to consume. 2. Social media rewards video content. If you're only sharing blog links on Facebook or LinkedIn, you're not getting the reach you deserve. Social platforms want users to stay engaged. And guess what keeps them hooked? Video.light. Why this matters? Instagram pushes Reels more than static posts. TikTok is dominating because of short-form videos. Facebook prioritizes video content in the feed. The fix: repurpose your blog posts into bite-sized videos. Post them on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube Shorts. Stay visible everywhere. 3. Videos convert more customers. A blog post might inform, but a video sells. Seeing a real person talk about a service builds trust. Demonstrations show value. Customer testimonials create credibility. Why this matters? 64% of customers say watching a video makes them more likely to buy. Landing pages with videos increase conversions by 80%, but people trust faces and voices more than plain text. The fix: make explainer videos, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes clips. Show why your service is the best. 4. SEO loves videos. Google loves content that keeps users engaged, and nothing does that better than video. Why this matters? Websites with videos are 53x more likely to rank on Google's first page. Videos increase dwell time on your site. Google often features videos in search results. The fix: add video summaries to every blog post. Embed YouTube videos. Optimize video titles and descriptions with keywords. 5. Your competitors are already doing it. If you're not using video, someone else is. And they're getting the leads that could have been yours. Why this matters? Well, businesses using video grow revenue 49% faster. 86% of marketers say video gives them a strong ROI. The online competition is only increasing. The fix: start today. Take your existing blog posts and repurpose them into videos. Stay consistent. Be everywhere your customers are. Ready to fix this? Let's make it happen. You don't have to do this alone. Our strategy turns your blog posts into high-converting videos and short-form content across all major platforms. More leads, more customers, better online presence, higher ROI. It's time to stop writing blogs that no one reads and start creating videos that get results. Let's grow your business today.